for my furnace, do I want the taller one or the shorter one? I'm going for the taller one myself. You don't need to be here. Like, can't you see I'm doing something? Just because I'm thinking about, you know, putting a few inches of refractory mortar in the bottom, and this one, I don't think it, like, once I cut the top and fill up the bottom, I don't think there's going to be very much room for a crucible in there. This one will still have room, I think, for the crucible. So I don't know, Silver Scorpion, I'm looking at you, I guess. Or Scrapper Scorpion, whichever one deals with the metal. Yeah, I don't know. You tell me. I just think that you know, this would be fine for small crucibles, but I think once you have a couple inches, like, it's a pretty squat little tank. I guess it's a regular barbecue size tank, but that one, I guess, is, I don't know how they go, 50 pound and 30 pound maybe, or whatever, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking we'll do this one.